I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
We're at Skipper Canteen. Now, I know what it's actually called. I know it's called the Jungle Navigation Company Limited.
Yeah, Jungle Navigation Company Limited Skipper Canteen.
But that's a mouthful, and
nobody calls it.
Nobody calls it. Yeah, so we just go to Skipper Canteen. Today is we're celebrating my 30th wedding anniversary. I've been dying to come here. I hear the food is excellent.
Oh yeah.
You are like drooling over lamb chops.
Yes.
So we're.
Yeah, they got a lot of good options on there. They got the lamb chops, stew, marinated pork.
Awesome. So we've already checked in. We're just sitting out here waiting for our reservation to kick in. Just sit down and eat. Yep. Okay. So they took us back here to the secret room to dine, and you can see all of this really cool decor here. There's a map over here and a map over there, and some butterflies back there. They got some masks over here. This is super cool. I mean, I'm so happy, to be here. This is so cool. Miss Cindy's happy.
Yep. I'm starving. Everything come out okay for you?
Everything looks great. So I'm going to start over here with Miss Cindy. And what did you get?
I got the hearty har sweet pork.
Sweet pork. And that looks delicious.
Oh. I tried a little bit.
And Madison over here got the Madison over here.
I literally just dipped my finger in it, and now it feels like I ate a ghost pepper.
I'll get back to you. Tyler, what'd you get?
The lamb chops.
You got the lamb chops. Wow, that looks delicious.
It does.
You've ever had lamb chops?
Yeah, but at home, like all the way in California.
Oh, right.
Now this looks good.
And Logan over there got the
Hanger steak.
The hanger steak.
Yep.
That looks delicious.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Madison over here got a whole bunch of noodles stuck on her fork.
You may want to like do this.
What did you get?
The Skipper Dan stand-in noodles.
That she has to break up. She got the sauce on the side because
it's really spicy. And I can't have spicy.
And I got it tastes like chicken because it is chicken. And this is, again, I love chicken, so it was time for us to dig in. So I gotta go across the table here and show Logan the meat. That's steak.
Ow.
You asked for medium rare, huh?
Yeah, medium, because it's steak. That's the way you order steak. Oh, it looks amazing.
People who eat steak rare is one of the worst people.
He's about to find out.
What?
People who eat steak rare are like psychopaths. That's not rare, it's raw.
They have tons of steel.
How's your life? Oh, look at that.
Delicious. Really good.
Really good. Really tender. Go over here, Miss Cindy, and her pork.
Really good.
And you could put a little bit of that sauce on your
Like
rice.
3 drops of the spicy sauce is enough for this whole entire cup of rice to be spicy.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how are your noodles?
They're good. But I'm not.
You okay?
Yeah, she's not okay. She promises.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
By the way, this chicken is delicious. Nice and crispy, well breaded. The rice and the vegetables really add a compliment to it. I'm gonna go back to Logan and ask him how his steak is. He's just giving me a smile and a thumbs up. Good. All right, I'm gonna go around this way of the table, and Tyler here is full of joy as he continues to have his lamb chops.
Really good.
Really good. They look really good.
It's like the right texture, the right amount of spices.
How are the vegetables?
But
I haven't
can't
tried
have-
them yet.
You gonna try them?
I haven't tried them
I
yet.
said you're gonna try them.
Yes.
All right. Logan over there was brave enough to put some of that sauce on his rice.
Oh, yeah, that Dan Dan.
Yeah. How is Dan Dan?
Stand down hot.
Oh, he's wonderful. He's a great guy.
I'll say it's good. Gives it a nice kick. As far as the steak is
Let's
delicious.
take one more look at that steak.
Yeah, nice kick. Nice kick in the ass.
Oh my gosh. I think by the time I come back to you, you'll be done with your.
Oh my god. Oh my.
How are your noodles?
Oh, they're good. oh.
She's checking on her boarding group for a Tron Light Cycle. We were finally able to get a.
Yeah. Dad shouted with
Glee.
happiness
At 1 o'clock when I got a boarding group. Probably Miss Cindy, how's your pork?
Very good.
Very good. I had some of these in front of it. It was really tasty. What are the spices in
It
it?
reminds me of like barbecue ribs.
Okay.
That kind of pork meat.
And you had some of the Dan Dan sauce. I was.
Oh, how's the lamb?
Oh yeah. 3 drops, spiced up a whole
How's the lamb?
ball of rice.
Wow.
Yep.
a little crunchy.
Coming to me, and this chicken's really tasty, very juicy, very meaty. It's breaded just right. It's cooked really well, and yeah, the vegetables are good. The rice is good. This is well worth the wait and the money.
I just got half of this weird. I think it's a purple potato.
Potato.
And oh my lord, it's good. And right here.
Look at the size of these onions.
I believe that's a whole onion.
Well, not a whole onion, but
Basically a
pretty
whole onion.
close. Yeah.
And this is, at first I didn't know what this was. I thought it was some kind of exotic vegetable or something. And then Mom pointed out that it's probably purple potato, which
Purple potato, yeah.
I kind of agree with. Oh my god, it's really good.
Hold on, I gotta get this. It's Logan and his last slice of steak.
It's the last slice of heaven.
It is much easier to cut it from the bottom
One of
side.
my favorite rides is close for refurbishment.
Hold on, here with me. There's that look. How the noodles? How the noodles?
Oh, they're good too. I'm not gonna put much of that sauce on it because it's very hot. But yeah, it's delicious.
That steak's going in your belly. Oh, that steak's going in your belly. Miss Cindy?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah, onion's really good.
And the pork is
One
really
last look
good.
at that food. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Nice big pieces
That
of
is
pork.
really good looking pork too. How's the sauce on it?
Really good. It's kind of like a spicy sweet barbecue.
And I'm gonna give you one last look at my chicken. Let me pick this up and show you. Look at all that nice big chicken, lovely meat going in my stomach. It's going in my belly. Rice is good. This is really good. This is right now probably by far one of my most favorite restaurants here in the Disney World.
So you want to try a bite of the noodles?
I'm gonna drag this here. So this is called a krungalush. It is a chocolate cake with banana, I think it's like banana sauce, banana ice cream, bananas on it. It looks pretty good. Banana. And then we got a nice little treat for our anniversary. This is a chocolate cake with, what is it? She said cherry or strawberry, lava.
Yeah, exploding chocolate rocks.
Exploding chocolate rocks. So Miss Cindy and I are going to dig in.
Actually, will come in here.
Okay. My family pretty much just tore this apart.
It's really good. The cake has the texture of a brownie. It's really good.
Oh, I like a little piece.
All right.
We're gonna have a waterfall on the table.
Did you get a bite?
Yeah, I had a couple bites.
Here.
Really good. There you go. This is really
Yeah, we should hurry
This
up.
is really good. You do a good job here.
Convolute.
Well done.
Logan and I are with the family that we're now in line for Jungle Cruise, which wanted to let you know we had the best lunch at the Skipper Canteen, or should I say the Jungle Navigation Company Limited Skipper Canteen, just Skipper Canteen. But the food was fantastic. Food was great. We had probably some of the best food we've ever had at a Disney restaurant, and we cannot wait to go back. And we got through our line really quick for the Jungle Cruise. So Logan, really quickly, they want to check us out anywhere else, where they go?
Find the links to our podcast, our Twitter page, our Instagram, our TikTok. You can find them at withcody.com/@tropical. They can find links to everything I just mentioned. And also, if you want to become a member of our channel, support us there, you can find that at the homepage of our channel right next to the subscribe button. We have 4 tiers, one $4.99, one $7.99, one $9.99. So if you really like our content, consider helping us out there.
Everything you donate to the channel is back on the channel.
Yep.
If you want to help out the channel, what do you do?
You can hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share to your friends.
Share it with your friends. Leave us a comment, makes us smile. But from the Skipper Canteen here at the Magic Kingdom, I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
We're getting on the Jungle Cruise. This is Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.